Hello everyone, welcome back to our another tutorial about WooCommerce using Elementor. So today we'll learn how to create a single product page by using Elementor, WooCommerce single product page by using Elementor. So first we need to Elementor Pro plugin. So go to our templates, save templates. So add new templates, click, select a single product. So here type the single product, create template. So here's a basic style of a single product page. If you are using Pro and connect with the Pro, you can just insert this. So if you don't have connected with Elementor, so you don't need to insert. So just go to here, display condition, add condition, all the products, save and close. You can also specify our specific products if you want to some specific products. So you can see now our template is activated. So we can make the design. So here is our first container, full width. So row based, add one more container. So container width 1440 px, and add one more container. So now duplicate this container. So click here, make it row. Make it row. So this section for our images and this section of our product detail. So images, product images, just import here. So looking like this. If you go to here, load this one, so you can see our product gallery like a. So style of slash flash. So spacing between thumbnail spacings, solid border if you want to add border of thumbnails. So woolen, product, so you can also add this one. So it's look like this if you want to add some extra style. So for product title, you can just set product title, import here. Although the whole styling of here available, just change the color of your product, font family, font size, each and everything you want to change, and product price. If you want breadcrumbs above of the product, I think so breadcrumbs are here. You can also style off breadcrumbs and the product price under the here. So you just styling of whole styling available of product price. So we have a add to cart button here. So here's the layout, inline, shock, auto. So inline button. So here's the button styling, quantity styling, variation styling. So we have available all the stuffs are here. So spacing, space between, so update. So these are basic and detail. All the options we can use product meta if category and something else if you want to show. So you just add the meta styling available here, meta. So short description if you want to show after the price, short description. So you set here product content. So product tab data, so you just import here. This is a product tab data. Additional information if you want to specific additional information, related products if you want to show drag here. So these are related. If styling of related products are available here, so you can style of related product here and just update the page. You just reload the whole details are imported here. So that's all, how to create a single product page by using Elementor. Following this step, I'm just informing the details of overview. You just detail styling, you can use Elementor style widgets and something else. Thank you very much. If you like our video, please thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channels. Bye bye.